Hello again. I bet you're tired of hearing my voice, but well, what can we do? Life is not easy. So now we're gonna solve the question of the cyclist. I believe did you have it in your monthly exam or not? I don't know. But anyway, that's a very interesting question, so let's solve it together. Now, I remember you answering in the chat, so most of you got it correctly, but let's just answer that anyway. So the cyclist, as the cyclist accelerates, the chemical energy in his body, stored in his body, is the one that's going to be decreasing. And the kinetic energy of the cyclist is increasing. That's an easy one, right? Second part is the mass of the cyclist is 80. So M is equal to 80 kilogram. Nice, we don't have to convert anything. The speed of the cyclist, let me write this down, speed, V, is equal to 12 meter per second. So what do they need? What they want from us? Calculate the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So that's easy. Remember? It's written here. I don't know. It's even if it's not written here, you still can figure that out. It's going to be given to you in the last page or the first page. I'm not sure in the GCSE exam, but it's going to be given to you anyway. So 0.0 mv squared. That's the formula. And then all I have to do is just substitute, So first m, which is this one here, 80. And then what? V, which is this one here, 12. So are we done now? No, we are not. You know this cutie here? This here is really... Oh, let me just do this. Because I know some of you are going to forget it. It happened a couple of times. So this is really important. Don't you dare forget it. Okay? Don't forget the square here, the 2 here. That you're not allowed to do that. You can make any other mistakes, but not this one. So, all I have to do is now half, or 0.5, times 80 times 12 squared. And just use your calculator and you will have your answer. Let me cheat from my work. I don't know, did I solve it? Yeah. So it is 900, it's 6,750. So it's 6,750 joule. Joule is written already here, so no worries. And that's the end of this part. It's easy, right? You just substitute each one here. Just make sure that you know what is the mass, what is the speed, and don't forget about the 2, the squared. Squared V, I mean. So the third part, when the cyclist uses the brakes, the bicycle slows down. This causes the temperature of the brake pads to increase by 50 degrees. So we have the delta theta equal to 50 degrees. The mass of the brake pads is 0.040. So the mass, which is M, is equal to 0.040 kilogram. Oh, we don't have to worry about that, about converting it. I mean, it's in kilograms anyway. The specific heat capacity, which is, we know it as C, is equal to what? 480 joule kilogram Celsius. So what they want from us? Calculate the change in thermal energy, the change in thermal energy, delta Q, is what? Now, if you don't remember each of these things, please try to solve some more problems. With time, you will get familiar with all of them. So delta Q, again, it is written here, and in the exam is going to be given to you. So delta Q is equal to mass, specific heat capacity C, and the change in temperature, which is delta theta, change in temperature in Celsius, delta theta. You know, you don't have to worry about turning it to Kelvin or so, except for when you use this law. You know, when we work with the gas laws, the second gas laws, this is where you have to change from Celsius to Kelvin, from theta to T. Other than this, I don't think that you need to worry about it. Oh, where did we go? Oh. Yep, we're here again. So all you have to do is just, you're going to substitute normally. We have the M, this is the M, just put the number, 0.040, and then we have the C, this is the C, so put it here, as it is, because it's in joule kilogram Celsius, we're fine, totally fine. Then the delta theta, which is this one, this is delta theta, which is 50 degree Celsius. Now all you have to do is just use your calculator. And the answer is going to be, let's write it here in one go, 960 joule. Again, joule is written here, you don't have to worry about it. It's easy, right? Just write the formula, and all you have to do is know which is which. What is this M? What is the mass? Here, find the mass and substitute it. What is the specific heat capacity? It is again written here. And also, what is the change in temperature? All is written for you. Just put each in its right position, in its right place, and use your calculator correctly, and you're gonna be done. Now the fourth part, how is the internal energy, we're talking about the energy of the particles in the brake pads affected by the increase of temperature. So the temperature is increasing. What do you think is going to happen to the energy of the particles inside the pads? Well, that's an easy question. It's a gift question. Energy and temperature, they always have some kind of direct positive relationship, proportion. So it will increase. We're done with this. Good luck.